Well, we have been monitoring Pepito all night. Unfortunately, I'm sorry and saddened to report that meron tayong casualty na isa sa Cam Norte. And you know my feelings about that is that one casualty is one casualty too many. So that is unfortunate. However, I still would like to congratulate, kailangan pasalamatan natin lahat ng mga first responder, yung mga LGU, lahat ng mga nagtatrabaho na pang-anim na nila. Ito, I'm sure that they are exhausted. I am sure that they have they continue to do and work with as hard as they can. Kaya tayo po yung nagpapasalamat sa kanila. At sa taong bayan din. At sila ay tumutulong at hanggat kaya at sinusundan naman ang ating mga bulletin tungkol sa kung anong kailangan gawin. Kaya kahit papano sa lakas ng Pepito ay hindi kasing sama ng aming kinakatakutan. It wasn't as bad as we feared. But now we will carry on with the rescue of those isolated areas and the continuing relief for those who have been displaced and have no means to prepare their own meals and have no water supply. So yung ating relief na ginagawa kagaya ng dati. Rebuilding will also start to continue as well. So sana naman pagdating ng Pasko, tayong mga Pilipino, alalahanin naman natin ang ating mga kababayan na kahit papaano na sinasalanta at kahit papaano sana yung ating sanang gawing papamasko, pamahagin natin sa kanila. At kawawa naman at sila'y naghihirap. Anyway, that's it. Thank you.
Thank you.